going to be doing 1.2F1. So for our first 3 problems, you're just going to solve those however you want to solve them. Make sure you're really paying attention to your symbol right there. So 2 and 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. And 1 plus 1 is 2. You can use counters or manipulatives. Heather collected star stickers in her sticker book. One page had 2 large star stickers, and another page had 6 small stickers. Which picture shows the 2 large stickers page? So we're going to think about it. I'm looking for the picture with 2 large stickers. This is 6, this is 6, this is 2 small, and this is 2 large. So I know it's this one right here. Which shapes belong in the pattern? Triangle, circle, circle, triangle, circle, circle, triangle, circle, circle. I know that my pattern is triangle next and then another circle. This is circle, triangle, circle, circle, triangle, square, and there's triangle, circle. How many dogs are there in all? 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 4 dogs. Use the open number line to correctly locate the number. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to look for my number with the least magnitude, which is 2, the number with my greatest magnitude, which is 33. I'm going to put 2 on this end. I'm going to put 33 on this end. The reason I'm going to do those 2 first is that's going to help me figure out where my other 2 numbers go. I'm going to cross those out so I don't look at them again. Now I'm going to think, 9. Is 9 closer to 2 or closer to 33? So I think 9 should be about here, because it's closer to 2, but it's not halfway between 2 and 33. And 11 should be close to 9. So I'm going to put it there. Write 29, 6, and 42 on the number line. So first I'm going to look for my lowest magnitude, which is 6. Going to write that first. I'm going to look for my largest number. I see 29 has 2 tens, 42 has 4 tens, so 42 is my largest number. I'm going to put it at the end, and then I'm going to think, where does 29 go? I know 29 has 2 tens and 9 ones. I think it's about halfway between 6 and 42. So I'm going to put it about halfway between 6 and 42. Order these numbers from least to greatest using the number line. So I'm going to look here, and I see each of these numbers has one group of 10. This has one group of 10 and 1 1. This has one group of 10 and 8 ones, and this has one group of 10 and 4 ones. So I knew one group of 10 and 1 1 is the least, then one group of 10 and 4 ones, and then one group of 10 and 8 ones. Now I'm going to draw a smiley face next to the number line that shows the numbers in the correct order. So I'm going to look. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, nope, it goes 20, 19. 16, 17, 18, or 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, all the way to 50. That works. 23, 36, 26. Uh-oh, this has 3 tens, this has 2 tens, so I know it can't be that. So my smiley face is going to go on the second picture.